Okay everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a gutter in Sketchup. Okay, first of all we have to make basic shape. Okay, maybe we can figure out about this is a pavement or a line maybe. Then we can make it group. Okay, and then we can make the gutter path for the verse. For example, we can make a letter L gutter. Maybe we can enter the group and we can select a line to make a gutter path. Okay, and then we can adjust the line and adjust it. Okay, and then we can select this line and offset it to the outside. Maybe we can offset it around just like this, and then we can push it down. Anyway, we can push it down, for example like this or like this. Okay, and then we can make a profile. We can make a gutter profile first with the line. We can make gutter profile with the line anyway, or maybe we can adjust it with the 2-point arc. We can use the 2-point arc, and then we can move it down, and then we can delete some unnecessary line. We can erase it. Okay, we can erase, and we can erase it all. Okay, and after that we can offset it inside. Sorry, we can offset. We can bring it to the another position first, then we can offset it inside. Okay, we can erase it first, and then we can offset. Okay, we can offset it inside around for any thickness anyway. Then we can complete the shape, basic shape of the gutter. Then we can move in this area, and then we can select the line and follow the path of the gutter itself anyway. Okay, and then we can select this line, and then we can make follow me to finish the gutter. Okay, it's done. After that we can make it group, and we can set the material itself. Maybe we can set this material, or maybe we can set the landscape, and we can set the landscape with this material anyway, or this material. Okay, and it's done. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you and help your work. Okay, thank you. Wait for my next video.